Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kamran, and in today's lesson we are going to know how to insert shapes, arrows and text boxes in Microsoft Word. So these tools are very important and useful to make your document more visual and professional. So let's get started. First, go to on the Insert tab and find the shape and click on it, and you will see different options that appear here with many options like rectangle, circle, arrows, line, and more. Also, click on any shape you want. For example, I want to click in rectangle, and then you can draw it by click and drag on your page, and you also then you can resize it by its corner like this, or move it anywhere you want. Also, when you click on your shape, the shape format will appear, and here you can change the shape style. So let's and discuss about shape style. And shape style, you can choose different styles of shape. And so let's come in shape fill. In shape fill, you can add different colors here also. And no fill means no color in your shape, and more fill colors, here you can make your own color. And then and shape fill, you can add picture or gradient, whatever you want. And texture, for example this. And shape outline, you can add an outline. In your outline is a line in 4 sides of your shape. For example, I want this color with high opacity, for example, you will see. And then let's come and once more in shape outline, and then you can adjust the weight, the high or low, scale also. And you can also choose dashes instead of line. And let's come in shape effect. In shape effect, you can choose for example, in preset you can choose different styles of shape. Shadow, you can add shadow. Reflection, you can add reflection. Glow, soft edges, bevel. And this is not important, just in 3D. Rotation is very important, and everyone use it a lot in documents. So let's go back and insert tab on shape, and now let's choose an arrow, for example this. And by click and drag, I draw this, for example, here. And arrows are great to point at important text or pictures. You can also change the arrow color, thickness, and style in the shape format, like here the style, shape outline, or any style you want to change here. And also click on the insert once more, and on shapes you can here add a text box. What's text box? Text box is a shape that you can write anything. And for example, I write here Word, for example, Word 2021. And so these are the things that we study in this lesson, in today's lesson. And now you know how to insert shape, arrows, and text boxes in Microsoft Word. So in the next lesson we will learn how to create and format tables and another important features for Word documents. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to get all the upcoming lessons. Thanks for your watching, and see you in the next lesson.